So I'm going to show you how to find your ring size. The most accurate way would be to use ring sizers. You can get them for like $3 on Amazon. And you would measure right underneath your joint right here. So as you can see, I'm a size 3. But if you don't have ring sizers, you can measure at home. What you would need is a strip of paper. You can use a string, but a strip of paper is way more accurate, I have found. And you'll also need a ruler with millimeters on it. Make sure you're not using centimeters. You don't want to use these lines right here on the inches side of the ruler. So these right here are the millimeters. So take the strip of paper, wrap it underneath your joint, and you're gonna want to wrap this piece of paper as tight as you possibly can. These rings need to fit snug, and when you're measuring, it tends to be a little bit larger than what the ring actually will be. So measure it really tight. As you can see, it's very tight on there. If you have another person that can hold it for you while you mark it, that would probably be even better. But I'm wrapped this around my finger as tight as I can, and I'm going to mark right here where the paper lines up, and then we're going to measure. So measure inside the line, not outside. So we're going to line it up just like that. And as you can see, it's saying that I am 45 millimeters. And these said I was a size 3. So I'm going to round down a little bit. And because this 3.5 is 45.2. So if you got a 45, I would round down. I would say it's safer to round down than to round up because these rings are very easy to adjust larger, a little bit harder to adjust smaller. So if you don't get an exact number, it's going to be a safer bet to round down than to round up. But as you can see, the paper normally will be 1 millimeter, maybe 2 larger than a ring sizer. So it's going to be safer to round down if you don't get an exact size that's on the ring chart. And that is how you find your ring size.